Today, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name from GoDaddy in a quick, simple, step-by-step way. If you're starting a website, launching a brand, or just want to secure your name online, this is one of the first things you need to do. The good news is that the process is beginner-friendly, and I'll walk you through every part so you can buy your domain with confidence. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the main search bar in the center of the page. This is where you'll type the domain name you want to buy. Make sure you enter the exact name you have in mind, then click Search Domains. GoDaddy will now check if your chosen domain is available. If your ideal .com name is already taken, don't worry. GoDaddy usually shows alternative suggestions and different extensions that you can consider instead. You might see options like .net, .org, .co, or other domain endings that could still work for your project. Take a moment to review the options and choose one that fits your brand and is easy for people to remember. Once you find an available domain name you like, click Add to Cart next to it. At this stage, GoDaddy may show you more options and extras, and this is where you want to stay focused. Click Continue to Cart when you're ready to move forward. Now you'll see possible add-ons and upgrades. GoDaddy may suggest professional email, web hosting, website builders, and other services. If you don't need those right now, you can safely skip them by choosing No Thanks. This helps keep your purchase simple and avoids paying for features you're not using yet. Also, if you see domain privacy protection, that's usually included or available to keep your personal contact details hidden from public WHOIS records, which is a helpful security step for most users. Next, review the contract term. On the final cart page, you'll usually see a drop-down that lets you choose how long you want to register the domain for. This can be anywhere from 1 year to multiple years, depending on the options available. If you're trying to lock in your domain for longer and avoid renewing too soon, choosing a longer term can make sense. Just be aware that some promotional prices may require a longer commitment. After that, sign into your GoDaddy account if you haven't already. Then, enter your billing address and choose your payment method. GoDaddy generally accepts common payment options like credit card, debit card, and in some regions, net banking or other local payment methods. Before you finish, double-check everything carefully. Make sure the domain spelling is correct, the extension is the one you want, and the billing details are accurate. When everything looks good, click Complete Purchase. GoDaddy will process your order, and once it goes through, your domain should be registered to your account. From there, you can manage it in your GoDaddy dashboard, connect it to a website, or keep it parked until you're ready to build. And that's it. You've successfully bought a domain name from GoDaddy. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you're one step closer to getting your website online. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.